Minista wa githomo Ezekiel Machogu nianireire kurekererio gwa kigina kia shiringi bilioni 28 kuri thukuru cia muingi cia secondary na cia muingi guothe bururi-ini. Machogu niugite mathukuru matanyitwo kwamukira kigina giki kiumia giukite niguo kuhotithia mihango ya mathomo guthie na mbere hatari muhinga o wothe.
Funds for capitation for our junior secondary schools and senior secondary schools has now been given to us by National Treasury, and we are dispersing the funds to all the schools in Kenya.
Oho niugite ministry yake ni gutigirira ni yaka irathi ingi nyingi niguo kunina muthianiriro wa arutwo mathukuru-ini maria mari na namba nene ya arutwo.
We had a negotiation with the World Bank and we are getting funds that we will be able to construct laboratories, and we are also partnering with the members of parliament such that out of the CDF funds which is allocated to each and every constituency, we will be able to do about 40%, and we hope that another 60% will be done through CDF.
Maya mokite thutha wa arutani anene thukuru-ini cia muingi guteta iguru rigie gucerithirio gwa kigina giki tamu-ini ya keri ya kalenda ya mathomo. Machogu ekwaragio hindi ya icera riake thukuru-ini wa secondary wa airetu wa Mukumu uri kaunti-ini ya Kameme thutha wa kuruguria ceceni njeru ya mai matheru ma kuhuthira thukuru-ini uyu niguo kugiririria gututhuka kwa mirimu iria yumanaga na mai magiko kana mena bacteria hamwe na ikuo iria ciacungiriirie andu ana gukua thukuru-ini uyu.
We have to make sure that our water has to be properly treated. We also gave a borehole which government has been able to drill in this particular school.
Oho nieraniire ati thukuru uyu ni ugukorwo ukiongererwo shiringi milioni 10 cia guthondeka irathi hamwe na nyumba cia gukomwo ni arutwo ari njira ya gutigirira utheru ni wagacirithio thukuru-ini uyu.
We'll be able to have money available to replace all the asbestos, all the buildings. We are going to come up with new iron sheets such that we replace the iron sheets which were put there years ago.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV njĩtagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.